Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you're well. Today we're going to be making my first ever slime smoothie using only clear base slimes. So I'm so excited to see what the results are. Here is my notification squad shout outs. I love you guys so much. To have an opportunity to get shouted out in one of my videos, just comment below #notification squad and you could see your name in one of my videos. Today I'm also going to be debuting my candy shop slime, which will be available on my Etsy shop when this video goes live. So go get yours. If you order it by this weekend, you will most likely receive it by Valentine's Day. It is going to be packaged with some Valentine's Day treats and extras. So go get yours. They're in limited quantities. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, here we go. Alright, so I took a poll on Instagram and you guys said that I should activate it after I added everything in, so everything's in. So here goes the activation. See, it's really sticky. I love all these colors. Comment down below what you think the color is going to be when I get done.
Five minutes later.
So it looks kind of like a purplish color. It's sort of like a lavender mauve color. It's not completely horrible, but I wonder what it'll look like when it clears up. Comment down below if you got the color right, and if you would like to see this slime after it sits for a few days and clears up. Well, that's it for this video. Did the color turn out like you expected? Let me know down below. Also, I wanted to let you know that there is a giveaway currently going on my Instagram, so go check it out. It is linked in the description box. See you next time. Bye.